Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I'm here, your teacher Saliha, and today I will teach you social studies of class 7th. And today is lecture 1. So let's take start of this. As you can see, it's of your social studies book for class 7th and it's of book 2. For class 6 we have book 1, for class 7th we have book 2. So you must have your book 2. And this book is Secondary Social Studies for Pakistan. So this is your book. And let's take a final start of your course. So before going to explain chapters, let's explain the course content for the midterm 2021. As we know that in social studies we have two sections, that is the one is geography, second one is history. In geography actually we discussed the geographical features like mountains, rivers, plateaus, deserts and etc. In history we discussed the past event. So in geography section we have three chapters. Chapter 1, Geography of the Muslim world. Geography term has cleared. Now the Muslim world. Muslim world is actually referred to the Islamic community, to the Muslim countries where majority of the Muslim people living. We can call Muslim world. So in this chapter we will discuss the geographical features of the Muslim world, that what type of geographical features do we have in the Muslim countries in the Muslim world. In chapter 2 is climatic regions of the Muslim world, that what type of climatic regions do we have in the Muslim world, it will be explained under this chapter. Chapter 4, Minerals and natural resources of the Muslim world. What type of natural resources, what type of minerals do we have in the Muslim world? It will be also explained under this chapter. So, three chapters are in geography section we have. Now in history section we also have three chapters, and the 14th chapter is National Unity and the Freedom Movements. National unity and freedom movements. In this chapter we will discuss the Muslim leaders, what they did for the freedom, how they unite the Muslims. All of these will be discussed under this chapter. Now next chapter is chapter 15, the struggle for freedom. The struggle for freedom, in this chapter we will discuss about how they got struggle, how they got freedom from the rest of religion people, from the rest of people in their area. Whatever they were, Hindus, Sikh or something else. So all of these will be discussed in detail under this chapter. Now the last chapter of history section is chapter 16, the road to independence. Here we will discuss the contribution of the great leaders. And the great leaders, let me tell you only two names right here. The rest of will be explained in the chapter. Like Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. They were the great leaders in that time. So what they did for independence for the Muslim people we will discuss in this chapter. So it was your course content. So overall we have 6 chapters in social studies of class 7th. Okay, so let's take a final start of a chapter. So here we have geography. In the geography section we have chapter 1, and chapter 1 is Geography of the Muslim world, and that is on page 1 in your social studies book of class 7th. Now let's discuss geography. What is meant by geography? Geography, it is actually study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere. And the physical features, as I told you, mountains, plateaus, rivers, deserts, and etc. All of these are we can call physical features, right? Now let's discuss what is the Muslim world. The Muslim world, actually the meaning of this term is, the term Muslim world and the Islamic world commonly refer to the Islamic community, which is also known as the Ummah. This consists of all those who adhere to the religion of Islam and to societies where Islam is practiced. Muslim world or Islamic world, it is actually, we can refer this thing to the Islamic community, where a large number of Muslim people living we can call Islamic community. Another word we can say Ummah. It's an Arabic word. An Arabic word Ummah mean is community. Clear? And we can say Muslims actually they follow a religion can called Islam. So where Islam is practiced in area, if in any area, in any country, in any place, when Islam is practiced, we can call Islamic community. So we can call to this Muslim world. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's discuss some of the Islamic countries. Some of the Muslim countries, some of the Islamic countries. So as you can see, there are about 55 countries where the majority of the population is Muslim. Where the majority of population is Muslim. Mean Muslims are more in number than rest of the religion people. So we can say these countries are Muslim countries. Right? And these are actually 55 in numbers. So in those 55 countries, I have mentioned some of the Muslim countries, and I have taken start of my own country, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Algeria, Bangladesh, Bahrain, Brunei, Comoros, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Libya, Maldives, Malaysia, Morocco, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Republic Somalia, Tunisia, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. All of these are the Muslim countries where majority of the people are Muslims and they follow Islam religion. Now, in next slide we have a graph of the Muslim world, that how much percent of the Muslim or whatever they are related to the other religions, mean how much percent of the people following a religion. So let's discuss that Islam is the second largest religion. So Islam is the second largest religion of the world, and the first largest religion of the world is actually Christianity. Okay, so the world first largest religion is Christianity, and Islam is on the second number, and it is the fastest growing one in the world. Mean year by year people accepting Islam, so the number of the Muslims and the follower of the Islam increasing day by day. Clear? So we can say it is the second largest religion of the world. Okay, a graph, as you can see in the graph, the highest one is Christians, mean follower of Christianity are 33%. They are 33%. Clear? The Muslims are 21%, others are 26%. The other means here we have a combination of different religions, so that's why if it is more in this one, so don't get confused with it, because here we have a mixture of other religions. Clear? And the second one is Muslims, which is 21%. Third one is Hindu, which is 14%. And the fourth one is Buddhist, which is 6%. Christians, followers of Christianity. Muslims, followers of Islam. Hindu, followers of Hinduism. Buddhist followers of Buddhism. Is it clear to you all? So, it was enough for today. See you in next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Tata.